Hi, RCDOX, and this is our SPIKY plane, and it's pretty windy out today, and I'm going to try to fly it. Come here.
Wow.
My brother has a landing gear somewhere, and we lost control because something died between the wires, and that's it. Here comes Mr. Landing Gear guy. Walking right here, and this is Spike's like third or sixth nose, and it's like the seventh or fourth now. And Spikey, we always had electrical problems on him. Buddy, make a heart rate on Spikey, and it switches in and off. Over here, buddy. Daddy, why did you under there? This is a pretty minor crash, and we're gonna fix Spikey again and fly it and have our shacks. Go fly and have fun! I'm safe, I'm on ground.